Hello everybody, today we're going to be doing chalk drawings of the Northern Lights. So let's get started. So today we're going to be doing a chalk drawing of the Aurora Borealis, otherwise known as the Northern Lights. So as far as materials, you'll have a black sheet in your kit. You just need a piece of scrap paper that you can tear up, black and white oil pastels, and a few different colors of chalk, just regular school chalk or sidewalk chalk or whatever you have. So here's kind of a finished product that I did earlier. What we're gonna do is take our black sheet, place it there, and kind of rip. You can use scissors to cut if you don't feel comfortable ripping, but rip some interesting patterns into a piece of paper here. Northern lights do come in, like many different colors, and as they fly across the sky, they take different shapes. Sometimes they go up and down this way, or across the sky like this. What Northern Lights are is the sun is constantly emitting particles that are electrically charged, and when they react with the different gases in Earth's atmosphere, they produce these different colored Northern Lights. So I'm going to start by placing my torn piece of paper up towards the top of my black page. So what we're going to be doing is taking the edge of our chalk and brushing up from your torn paper, making sure that you get a nice clean edge along your tear. And you can fill up, a large part of the sky, or just maybe I'll leave that part blank. And then the other side of your paper has a different shaped tear in it. So you can place that one anywhere you like. And we're gonna use a different color. Let's take this yellow. And maybe I'll just have this yellow just kind of shooting over the green in areas, and then maybe it will fade out down here. Still I'm using the side of my chalk. And now we have room for another light show down here. I'll choose a different color of chalk. And again, you can have some of them overlapping. And maybe this one isn't quite as sweeping as the other colors. And you can go back in and fill in spaces that you're not happy with. The whole idea is we're just getting some colorful lights in the sky. So to turn this into more of a landscape, we're going to put a bit of a horizon in here. And in my original, this one that I did here, I put a little iced over kind of reflected lake down here, but you could color this in all white and just have it be a snowy landscape. Maybe I'll do that. Reflecting pond again, just to show you how I did mine. So you'll choose a horizon line here where the pond meets the snow. Maybe you have a hilly landscape. And then I'm just going to put a few little marks, dashes here that are a reflection in the ice. And maybe there's even some of the Aurora Borealis, the Northern Lights, reflected in there as well. Nothing too hard, just like kind of a little soft chalk area. And then in my landscape, I would like to have some trees, but since it's at night, you're really only going to be seeing the profile of the tree in darkness. So that's why we're using black oil pastels. Put a couple trees, and if you would like to have your trees reflected in the water too, you can do that with your black oil pastels as well. Then if you would like to put some stars in the sky, you can use your white oil pastel or a white piece of chalk for some stars as well. since it is nighttime. And there you have it, a chalk drawing of the Northern Lights.